Hi there! We have created our character with the attacks, he enters combat mode and so on and so forth. And we also have created our stamina system. And every action now costs stamina. He gains stamina over time and so on. But we still need a way to show our player how much stamina he has left, and how much health and how much mana he has left. So I'm going to start this by creating a new widget for our player. I'm going to our content folder. Here I'm going to create a new folder that's going to be widgets. Inside the widgets folder, I'm going to user interface, and then I'm going to select widget blueprint. The widget blueprint is going to be of the type user widget, and I'm going to give it a name UI underscore main. Just like this. Let's open this file, and basically here is where I'm going to show you our player, the stamina, the health, and the mana bar. So I'm going to start by getting our canvas panel. The canvas panel is going to be our player screen. Here inside our canvas panel, I'm going to get a progress bar, and I'm going to grab this progress bar and put it inside our canvas panel, just like this. First, I'm going to start with our stamina bar. So this is going to be our stamina bar, just like this. And you can adjust the size as much as you want. In my case, I'm going to use it something like this. Yeah, I think this is enough. This is enough. I can use the first color as something, I don't know. I think I'm going to be using something like this. No, I think I'm going to be using something more close to white, something like this. Yeah, I think this is enough. And I'm going to fill this with the green color. So since this is stamina bar, I think the default should be a green color. You can use different color if you want. In my case, I'm going to be using the green color. And here in our widget, we have two tabs. That's going to be our designer tab and our graph tab. Think this as if the designer tab is where you put our visual part, and the graph tab is our logic for this. So I need to update our stamina bar. So just that you can see, I'm going to type here %. And here, if our stamina bar increases, as you can see, it increases the color as well. So basically, I want to be able to show how much stamina our player has left through this. So if our player uses some action that costs stamina, it's going to decrease his bar. And if he recovers stamina, it's going to increase this bar, just like this. But how I'm going to do this? Basically, I'm going to our graph, and from this I can get our stamina bar and set %, like this. So here I could set the % of our stamina bar. But I'm going to do this through a function. So let's go here and create a new function here. And this is going to be the update stamina, just like this. Again, I'm going to get our stamina bar, and I'm going to set %, like this. Compile. And in our update stamina, we can set new inputs and outputs, because this is a function. So I can come here and get a new input, just like this. I'm going to get two inputs. Both of them is going to be of the type integer. And the first one is going to be for our stamina. And the second one is going to be for our max stamina, just like this. In functions, I can also create outputs if I want. So I could get output from this, because this is a function. But I don't need for this. Only the input is enough. So let's set it like this for now, compile, save it. But if I go to our game, as you can see here, even though I created our widget, we don't have any widget here. So let's go to our player con character, and I need to create our widget here. So I'm going to push this a little bit down here. And in our event begin play, I'm going to create our widget. Just like this, create widget. From this, I'm going to get the widget that we just created. That's going to be UI underscore main. And I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this to viewport. Let's see here. Strange, it's not appearing. Add to viewport is not appearing. Let's see. I got the name of the function wrong, or something like this. I don't see the reason for this. Yeah, now it's appearing. For some reason, it's not appearing before. So I'm going to add this to viewport just like this. Compile, save it, and now if I go back to our game, as you can see here, I have our stamina bar, but I still need to update how much stamina I have left. So let's go back to our Sun Wukong, their character, and let's see. Here in our event tick, I'm going to get a sequence. The second one is going to be for this branch, and the first one is going to be for our update stamina bar. So I'm going to create. No, let's see. Let's get our widgets of class. From this, I'm going to get our UI underscore main, like this, and I'm going to get our update stamina. For some reason, not appearing here. Let's see here. Yeah, update stamina, like this, and from this I'm going to get this pin here, like so, and I'm going to also get our max stamina in our stamina, just like so. Get these variables here, and then I'm going to set our stamina and our max stamina, just like so. Compile, save it. Now let's go to our update stamina function, and here I'm going to get this first one, and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to divide and use our max stamina as the second pinpoint here, and this value here I need a float for this, so I'm going to just right click it, convert pin, and convert to float, double precision, like so. Get this pin here and put in set %, just like this. Compile it, save it. Let's go back to our game. Now, as you can see here, every tick is going to update our stamina. If I run, it's going to cost stamina, just like this. And if he recovers stamina, it's going to increase his stamina as well, just like that. And then let's see. I think I can also remove this get our widgets of class. So here I'm going to set this widget as variable. So I'm going to promote this as variable. Right here, promote to variable. This is going to be our UI main, like this. Set this here. And here, instead of using get all widgets of class, I'm going to just get the references for our widget, like this, and I'm going to place it here. To put it down here, like so, and this one is going to be update stamina bar, like this, and that's enough for our stamina bar for now. And as you can see here, it's still working fine. I'm going to grab our staff just to show you. So I can start fighting. I can fight still I have enough stamina to fight, just like this. And once I don't have enough stamina, I'm not able to fight. I have to recuperate. I have to go away, run from our enemy, just like this. And that's enough for now. I'm going to also create 2 more bars. That's going to be for our health bar and our mana bar. Mana bar is going to be using for when we have our special attacks. That's going to not cost only stamina but also cost mana. And health is going to be damaged when we receive attacks, and if our health goes to 0, then our character is going to die. Then I'm going to just leave it there for now. It's not going to be used, so but I'm going to create it anyway. Let's just get a progress bar, put in our canvas panel. The first one is going to be for health, and the second one is going to be for mana, like this. I'm going to place it down here, something like this. I'm going to also copy the size. It's actually easy to just copy and paste it here. Let's make something like this, 345, like so. Yeah, that's better. 345. Yeah, that's enough for now. So the first one is going to be the mana bar, and then I'm going to be using the fill color tool. I'm going to leave it there. And the second one is going to be our health bar. So this one is going to be head. I'm going to set the default. Let's see. No, I think let's see. I think I'm going to also let both of them as white for now, since I'm not going to be using this for now. I'm going to only be using the stamina bar for now. So yeah, the other one's going to be white, but once I get these functions created, I'm going to start using this bar as well. This one's health bar. And let's see our game. Just like before, we still are only using the stamina bar for now. And I think that's covers this part of our series. We have our attacks, we have our stamina bar, we have our stamina system created for now. And in the next videos, we are going to be making things better. I'm going to be creating new weapons, new combos for our attacks, and our first dummy, for that we can attack and set our damage system as well. And then I'm going to start using our health bar. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.